the community of Pepe. A shout out goes out to each and every one of you for demonstrating such an incredible amount of love on a daily basis. Every time I hear comments from members of the Pepe community, I am blown away by the incredible amount of support they provide. To the very depths of my being, I am grateful to you. If you continue to support us, you will continue to receive updates like these. But before we get into it, let's take a closer look at what's going on with Pepe. Due to the fact that we did begin the brand new week, it is evident that we are now getting closer to the morning of Tuesday. What is actually going on with Pepe, and what are some of the things that we may anticipate in terms of the price targets? On the other hand, if you glance across the board at this very now, you will notice that there are a few coins that are currently in the red, but there are also other coins that are still in the green. From what I can see, there is only one meme currency that is currently available, if I am not mistaken. This is based on a cursory examination of some of the meme coins that are currently available. You are aware, particularly from the fact that this particular one, which has a 116, is among the top 100 candidates. You know, this currency has been on an incredible tear, and I deeply regret not picking it up. The reason I am saying this is because, as you are aware, I spotted this coin when it was at an extremely low price, and it has literally increased by 330% in the span of only 1 month. I'm pounding my own head. But once more, you can't win everything, and that is something that I want to keep reminding you people over and over again. In particular, if you are looking at it on a monthly basis from the perspective of the overall market, it still appears to be red, but you should know that this coin is currently at 330%. In any case, that is not the reason that we are here. We are here to support Pepe. However, before we get into it, I would like to make a quick warning that everything that is said on this channel is not intended to be financial advice. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency, you should always conduct your own research and due diligence. Now, the price of Pepe is 20.43, which is a decrease of 2.6% in US dollars and a decrease of 4.7% in comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum. In my perspective, the market valuation of $8.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $4 billion are both extremely impressive. If you look at the market valuation, you will see that it is quite impressive. And the reason that I say that is because it is extremely amazing to observe that the trade volume for Pepe is still above $1 billion after 24 hours of trading. And with regard to its most significant rival, and of course you are free to come out and ask, what about some of these other meme coins? Do you not consider these coins to be Pepe's rivals? Without a doubt. Without a doubt. There are a lot of meme coins. It makes no difference if the coin in question has a low market valuation. At the end of the day, all of them are competitors to one another, and it is a fact that 99.8 or 99.9% of these meme coins are going to be worthless. You will have a much better understanding of how crucial it is to lock in these profits when you see them in this bull market once you have this understanding. On the other hand, that is not one of the reasons we are here. A serious conversation about what is going on with our friend Pepe at the moment is the reason we are here. Consequently, I would want for you all to take a look at it. As you are aware, if you guys are following my channel at this point, you guys are aware of every single Pepe update. We truly compare it with the price of the Shiba Inu. And you should really take a look at only the interest for Shiba Inu, such as the fact that the trade volume for a single day is really only 500 million, and it is even lower than 500 million. Furthermore, you should be aware that Pepe has 3 times the amount of trading volume. When you look at Shiba Inu's run during the previous cycle, and look at the last 15% or so in this prior cycle, even more than 15% of Shiba Inu. Quarter 1 and 2, initially when it was launched, it had that massive uptake, then it had that complete downside, and then late, after the happening year, again, I want to be a little bit more specific, after the happening year, Q1 was massive, and then it kind of slowed down, and then quarter 4 just picked up and just went through crazy valuations. This is also something you should consider if you are interested in discussing historical price patterns. Moreover, what gives us reason to believe that Pepe will not be able to reach that range this time around? It is all there, in terms of the mean narrative, in terms of the exchange listings, and pretty much everything else. To reiterate, it is important to take things one step at a time, as you are all aware, but in terms of the number of holders, Pepe has a total of 374,639 holders. While we are getting this update recorded, however, if you take a look at the dominance index, you will notice that it has increased quite a little. And this is something that we clearly do not overlook on this channel. And while it is obvious that Bitcoin's experienced a significant movement today, it is also obvious that some of these alternative cryptocurrencies